Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are gonna see about how to create a Android home launcher in Flutter. So without any delay, let's get started. So inside your pubspec.yaml, make sure that you have added this plugins like device apps, which is used to get the installed application from the OS, and the Flutter block, which is I'm gonna use it for state management, and equatable, which is used to equating to classes and objects and all. And at last I'm gonna add a Flutter toast for showing some toast messages. So make sure that you have added these plugins in your pubspec.yaml. So inside the Android manifest file, so make sure that you have added this to category tag inside the intent filter. So inside the activity, so this two category is will let us let the app to act as a home launcher in your Android device. So don't forget to include these two lines. So this home and default. So now we'll start coding in the Dart, and inside the main function, I have added the block observer here, which is for qubit to keep track the transition of the qubit state management. So in this project, I have used a qubit state management. So I just want to track the transition of the what are all the changes happening in the state. So I want to keep track on it. So that's why I'm using the block observer here. And inside the run app, I have called my app function here. So inside of my app, so we have added the home screen as a launcher screen, so which is will contain the launcher screen of our home launcher. So inside the launcher screen, I have added the launcher screen layout here, and inside our launcher screen layout, I have defined the stack here, which I will be having some asset image, and on top of that, I'll be adding some icon here like a arrow icon, and when you I've just used the I want to detect the swipe up and swipe down. So for that, I have added a gesture detector, and I have done some operation here to detect the up swipe and down swipe. So I'm just navigating the whenever the user swipe up the our home launcher application, so it will just redirect to our my home page. So there we will be getting I will be consuming all the list of installed apps there, and we can also perform a lot of app operations in that particular screen. So for that, I have added I have providing the some our homepage qubit there, and I will be calling the init function there, and we'll see the my home page now. And inside the home page, I have added the block listener to keep listening the state which is changing, and if the state is a error state, I'm just showing the toast message here. I have added a class called app tuples here. So here I have just show the flutter toast, and after that, I will be having a widget called home layout widget. So inside the home layout, I have called the our qubit homepage qubit, and as well as of the state is loading state. I'm just showing the circular progress indicator, and if it is not, I'm just showing the list of the application which is installed in the user device. So inside the home page apps widget, so here I'll be having the search bar. So which is if you user want to search the particular apps, so they can use the search text field here, which is defined here, and following that, I'll be having the wrap here, so which will be showing the list of application which is installed in our user device. So all of the object will be comes from our homepage qubit. So we'll see that later, and first we'll see the UI, how the UI I have structured, and I have just called the list item class here. So inside the list item, I will be just calling the particular application. So I'll be changing with as the application with icon method, and I'll be just showing the username app name, and as well as the app icon here, just the app icon and the app name. So when the user click the particular app, I'll be just calling one function which is inside our homepage qubit, and now we'll see the homepage qubit now. So inside the homepage qubit, so I have to list here like a list of application which is comes from the device app package. So make sure that you have imported the device app here as well as the Flutter block. And I'll be having to list here like this one is like original apps that comes from the our device app plugin, and I'll be just filtering the list if the user search the particular app. I'll be just filtering the object here, and I'll be having the init method here which will be called when the home page is called, this function will be called. So here I'll just call the get apps from device. So inside it I'll be just emitting the home page loading state. So right now the loader will be populating in the screen, and after that I will be getting the install application from the device by using the device app plugin. So it will be you have a three parameter, like if you want to include the app icon, so you can pass it true, and you can want to only apps with launch intent, you can also filter that, and you can also include system ads if the user mobile phone having some kind of like system installed application. So that also will be coming from this if you enable the value here. So I'll be just adding those values comes from the device apps. I'll be adding the application as well as the filter apps. So after that I've added the try here, like if some of the exception is occurred, I'll be just emitting the error state here, and after that I'm just emitting the refresh state. And if the user if the user tapped on the particular app, you will be getting the particular application here. By using that, I'm just opening the app by using the device apps here by using the package name. So you will be getting all the icons and the app name and the app a package name you will be getting inside this application. And if the user searches the particular text to find out the application, so I have added the function also here, here I'll be searching those values, and if the values is met our user search the expectation, we will be filtering that value into our filter app. So I'll be just emitting the home refresh state here. So now we'll see the output of the code. So here the app is running in the emulator. So if I just swipe up the screen, so you will see the all the application which is installed in the emulator. So it will be showing here, and you can also search here. Like if I just search the clock here, I'll just tap on the clock, so it will just open the clock. And if I comes back, and if I search a calculator, it will open the calculator. And if I press the back, the home screen will come. So this is the output of the code that we have implemented before. And you can also add a feature if you want to hide the particular app, and you can show it as a hidden list of the apps, and you can also make it as a some different UI Ubuntu UI or Windows. You can choose whatever the UI you want. So this is how you can use it. And I hope you enjoy the video, and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt regarding creating the home launcher in Android. And I have also attached the source code of this project in GitHub in a description. You can also check it out. And that's all for the today's video, guys. We'll see you in next video, so stay tuned. Bye.